Finish hard turning is widely used as a final machining step, and most of the time, it gets the job done. But every machining technique has a limit, a point where hard turning alone is no longer enough. Examples, for instance, are interrupted surfaces in hard-to-machine materials, lead-free surface requirements, small bores exceeding a diameter-to-length ratio of 1:4, ultra-fine surface finish requirements below 0.1 micron, or simply a specific customer requirement. That's where a different approach is needed, and where the MikroTurnGrind series come in, a platform where hard turning and finish grinding work as one setup, one machine, no workpiece transfers. But you don't just complete the part in one setup. You combine the speed of hard turning with the precision of grinding. Every surface is machined in one system with the most efficient technology for its function. And it's the results that define the MikroTurnGrind series with form and size tolerances below 2 microns, surface finishes from RA 0.1 to 0.4 microns, reaching RA smaller than 0.1 micron after grinding. The range consists of a fully hybrid configuration with B-axis to machines with integrated grinding or stone finishing. The MikroTurnGrind series is not about adding capabilities, but about combining them where they add value and transform flexibility into precision.